Now that we have pushed the message successfully to our topic, I want to bring you one update to our project. Let me minimize this, open up the Solution Explorer. Inside the mango.messagebus, we can see the NuGet package that we are using is microsoft.azure.servicebus. But Microsoft team has released a new package in order to work with topic subscription and the service bus. So if we go to packages, let's manage the NuGet package and update that to the latest package that is recommended moving forward. We will search here for messaging.servicebus, and the package that we want to install is azure.messaging.servicebus. If you remove the include pre-release, you can see the package is 7.1.2. We will be installing the latest one, so let me do that. Perfect. Once you install the latest version, if you go back to our project, we need to remove the previous one, which is microsoft.azure.servicebus. Once you remove that, if you try to build your project, you will run into some errors because the syntax has changed. You can see all the errors are inside mango.messagebus. Let me open up any one of them. We don't have these two packages, so we'll remove them. And we have to modify a few things inside the publish message. Right here, rather than creating an iSender client, we will be creating a ServiceBus client. So we'll say await using var of client is equal to new, and this will be of the type ServiceBus client. That is inside the namespace azure.messaging.servicebus. Here, when you create a new service bus client, we need to pass the connection string. So we will pass our connection string there, and then in order to send a message, we have service bus sender. We will call this as sender is equal to, and then we will be creating a service bus sender on the client object. We have a method which is create sender, which expects a string topic name. So we will be passing the name of the topic. Then we can serialize the object. So we'll do control dot, add a package for newtonsoft.json. Once that is serialized, we will have a final message here. This will be of the type ServiceBus message. And we'll just say new ServiceBus message. Correlation ID, I'll leave it, but even if you remove that, the application will still work. Then the method to send is different, and this will be on sender.sendMessageAsync. We will be passing our final message. After everything, we can directly dispose the client. So we can say client.disposeAsync. So you can see there is a slight change in the syntax and the name of the methods and properties here, but basically it is still doing the same thing. It will be posting a message inside our Azure topic. Now before we proceed further, we already have a message here, so we need to implement something where we can capture this message. Let's do that in the next section.